All men can make a difference.
Things that may be dismissed as small acts or a bit of banter, sharing sexist jokes at work or in groups chats, catcalling women in the street or staring at women in the pub, they all contribute towards creating a culture of fear and misogyny.
This is unacceptable and it needs to stop.
Mwyn diwylliant fel hyn newid, mae angen i ddynion fod yn rhan o'r ateb. Mae angen i fechgyn fod yn cefn I ferched, I deall eu safbwyntau cefnogi, ac hefyd I feddwl am eu hymddygiadau hun, ac ceisio cael dylanwad positif ar ymddygiad eraill.
Sadly, it's an appalling reality that during football's World Cup there is likely to be a rise in domestic violence incidents.
The behaviour displayed by some football fans in pubs, clubs and public spaces can also be extremely threatening and alarming for women. It doesn't have to be like this.
Sport can be a place where men can be their best selves, where we can learn to nurture traits that we take into all parts of their lives.
For too long, it has been up to women to feel they have to keep themselves safe. Together, we can change this. Will you make the promise today never to use, excuse, or remain silent about men's violence towards women and girls?